Let's now shift our attention to the housing company where residents of the Johannesburg Social Housing Company complex in Kliptown have rejected the call that was made for them to evacuate the flats. Now, the residents claim to have received letters of eviction from Joshco following a dispute between them and the housing company. So their representative, Temba Mutaung, says one of the issues that they are faced with is rent to buy, accusing Joshco of backing down from the initial agreement.
Abahlali bakwiflethi zaseKliptown bathatha isigqibo sokushukuma beme ngeenyawo balwe nenyathelo lokufuduswa kwizakhiwo abathi sele kuyiminyaka bezinze kuzo. Into ejongene naba bahlali bathi kukutshintshwa kwizivumelwano ezenziwayo ngethuba beqala ukuhlala khona. Futhi bafuna kubekho unxibelelwano malunga neemo zabanye abahlali.
When people moved in, there were leases that were signed as rent to own. You understand? So some people had rent to own leases and then some people had rental leases. You understand? So that's where the issue then started to the point where we're getting to eviction. This is a matter that has been going on since 2011. And then in 2018, it happened again where Joshco came to us and then we went to the courts and then the court sent us for a mediation process. Get a mediator and start mediating the process. So what happened yesterday is that one of the tenants that stays here got an eviction notice. This eviction notice dates back to the 19th of October when we look at the court papers. So when we studied this thing, we then saw that, but it is unfair to evict her in such a manner.
Into abayibeke yacaca kokuba abayindawo koko bafuna kuziwe nomkhombandlela ongomnye ngaphandle kwalowo wokuba bakhutshwe.
Joshco is denying the rent to own lease, which we have people that still have those leases that state that these were rent-to-own units. Not allegedly, factually. Some people have been staying here for 20 years. I mean, rental for 20 years. Tina, we are sticking on our ground, Uguti, no evictions. That is one thing for sure that we are taking a ground on, that we're not going to allow evictions. Already the city is sitting with a backlog of a housing enkulu.
Ngokwengxelo yabahlali inkampani yezindlu iJoshco ibanike iintsuku ezisixhenxe kuphela ukuba balungise izinto zabo ngapha koko isithi iza kubuya ukubakhupha. Kwelabo icala ababahlali bayaqhubeka nokubamba iintlanganiso eziza kuphembelela ukuba baqhubeke ukuhlala khona. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eKliptown.